Lamar Elementary held a Champions Assembly celebrating their great accomplishments. This celebration takes place at the end of each month and is for all the grade levels to enjoy.
My experience at the Champs Assembly was energetic. The kids had a blast, and it was great. And the trophy, winning the trophy, we pumped up the kids a lot, and they did a lot of work, so they really deserve that.
Well, this organization came about as a dream we had as we came together as a team. We wanted to build the climate and culture on our campus. We wanted to establish relationships with our teachers, but most importantly with our students and the entire school community. So there's a positive behavior supports incentive that we read about, and there's a book called Champs. And so from there I shared this dream with Ms. Ayala, and it helps students to determine how their conversation level should be, how loud their voice should be, how not, and so that we're all systematically participating and promoting the positive at Lamar. So once I shared this dream with Mrs. Ayala, she got to bring that big old dream and she made it fruition. So I'm gonna let her talk to that a little bit.
Well, it's just what Ms. Atkinson said. It's a great Champs Assembly where we bring the whole student body and we celebrate successes amongst the campus, clubs, reading, AR points, birthdays, just the simplest thing. We like to invite our feeder campus that our high school, South, so they came and they were able to cheer on our students. And so it's just a fun little time that we can meet, hopefully once a month, every other month or so, and the kids look forward to it every month.
Good job, Lamar Elementary. Keep up the good work.